Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame door. First, let's identify the main parts, stiles, rails, and the panel. Choosing the right wood, like oak or maple, is crucial for strength and aesthetics. You'll need a table saw for precise cuts, a router for joinery, and plenty of clamps for assembly. Having these ready ensures a smooth building process. Precision is key when cutting your stiles, rails, and panels. Use a table saw with a sharp blade for clean, square edges. For strong connections, you'll typically use either mortise and tenon joints or cope and stick profiles, often made with a router table. Always dry fit all your pieces to confirm a perfect, gap-free fit before applying any glue. Next, prepare your door panel. You can choose a flat panel or create a raised panel profile using a router bit. When assembling, apply a good quality wood glue to all your joints, but be careful not to get any in the panel groove itself, as the panel needs to float. Clamp the door frame squarely, checking for flatness across the entire assembly. Once the glue is dry, carefully scrape off any excess and sand all surfaces thoroughly, starting with a coarser grit and moving to finer grits for a smooth finish. Now, apply your desired finish, whether it's paint, stain, or a clear varnish, following the product instructions. Finally, install your hinges and hardware to complete your functional and beautiful frame door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.